To create a landing page in Mailerlite, start by opening your account. If you don't have one, you can sign up and claim a 30-day free trial with no credit card required. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Sites section and click on Create, where it says Create your first landing page. Give your landing page a name. Select Landing Page as the type, and click Save and Continue. Next, choose a subscriber group or create a new one if you don't have any existing groups. Then, select a template for your landing page by filtering through the available options based on the type of landing page you want to create. You can browse through all the templates and choose one that suits your needs. For example, you can use a template called Digital Agency. Once you've chosen a template, you can preview it or select it to proceed to the editor. The editor is a simple drag-and-drop interface that allows you to add various content blocks, such as maps, countdowns, or other elements. You can customize the landing page by clicking on the elements and typing in your desired text. You can also change the background color or make other modifications as needed. The landing page includes a Get Started button that you can link to a specific URL, such as a website or a pop-up. To link the button, simply click on it and enter the desired URL. You can also remove any sections you don't need by hovering over them and clicking the trash can icon. To add social media links, click on the social media icons and enter your usernames. You can also upload your logo by clicking on the edit icon and selecting your logo file. To preview your landing page, click on the Preview button to see how it looks. If you want to change the settings for the Get Started buttons, simply go back to the editor, click on the button, and enter the desired link. Once you're finished editing, you can save your landing page as a draft and choose a URL for it. Note that if you're using the free plan, you won't have access to custom domains, but you can upgrade your plan to get this feature. To publish your landing page, go to the Status section and click on Publish. Keep in mind that when you create a Mailerlite account, you'll need to answer some questions and wait for approval, which usually takes around 24 hours. Once you're approved, you can publish your landing page and start using it.